Oh, sorry guys, hold on. Big boob problems, that's what we got through. Anyway, oh, I started my eyes, so I might as well come talk to you. I'm gonna take this off because I know a lot of people don't like it. I get a lot of comments saying they don't like my little headband, but anyway, I love it. So I'm just gonna pin my, guys, my hair's not done, don't judge me, but I'm just gonna pin it up and then we're gonna do my hair last. And I already know what I'm wearing, so it's fine. And of course I'm running a little late like always, but I wanted to tell you guys, I want to talk about manifestation, and I think it's a perfect time for me to talk about it because we're going to a vision board party and it's for her business. So I'm like, I might as well teach you about manifestation. If you guys don't even know, me and my mom do have a business together. It's called Bourgeois Boutique. Go check it out. We cater to all sizes. We start selling men items now. So check us out. I'm going to be working on some more entrepreneur vlogs, but that's even here. But that's not. We get to that, guys. My makeup's gonna be really simple. I'm just gonna put like literally one color on. So let's talk about manifestation. So I'm very big on manifestation and practicing, always thinking positive and always writing down things that I want in life. Manifestation is basically speaking to an existence, speak it into the universe. That's basically how I take it. I always talk about what I want in life. I always, I always write them, like I said, I always write it down. But so I do recommend that people start doing manifestations or even vision boards, or also writing down your goals. And don't tell anybody your goals, you know what I mean? Just write them down yourself, because if you start telling people, you don't know how they're gonna react, as in they're gonna be, if it's gonna be jealousy, or they were like, oh, you can't do that, or that's impossible. I don't want, like with me personally, I don't want to hear stuff like that. I don't want to hear something like what they think I can't do. So I rather just keep it to myself and keep the stares to a minimum, because before I did start the business and YouTube and all this, I used to get that all the time when I tell like people, well, they're not my friends anymore, if I tell them my goals or what I'm planning on doing. So yeah, be careful, guys. You can be careful on who you tell your goals to, because secretly they can just be like jealous. I'm just saying. So let me tell you guys what I do. I bought a candle and some manifestation money from Amazon. I'm gonna have the link in the description, guys, so you guys can check it out yourself. And literally I write down a list of the goals I want. And I change them often, like if I feel like it's too old, like my list, if that makes sense. So I have about, right now is 3 under my candle right now. And at night, or any time of the day, or any time I just feel like I need some more. I feel like I need more of it. Motivation. Oh, here, that's a good answer. So motivation. So I would light this candle. I would say my mantra. And if I need to add some more new goals to my little papers, I would do so. And literally I would just do this and just think of everything that I want in life. All my goals that I want. And also the goals that I do want are not just from long term, it's also short term. And I put a goal that's really impossible. Well, I feel might be impossible, but it seemed like it's like out of reach. I did that just to, let's just see what happens in the next couple months, or even 6 months. Let's see if it happens, but I don't want to say it yet. If it does happen, I'm gonna do another video, like an update video. So this is what I do. It makes me stay positive. It makes me stay on my goals of the business and on, on me personally. So I do suggest that you guys try it out. It might work. What else I need to do? So yeah, that's mainly what I want to talk about manifestation. So yeah, I'm about to put on this. Is it strobe? Yeah, the strobe cream. Put a little bit on here. So yeah, today's gonna be hopefully, well, I'm not gonna say hopefully, it will be a good day. today supposed to be my content day. I'm supposed to just film a lot of videos. I need to check on my phone too. And I hope you guys are following me on all social media. It helps me out, guys. And also, I hope you guys are you guys saw my last travel vlog. It's about 4 parts to it. Yeah, it was interesting. That vlog was very interesting. I think I'm putting too much stuff on right now. I kind of want a monster. I'm just speaking out loud. Alright. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna focus on my makeup for a bit. I'm gonna share with you everything, even to the perfume I'm gonna be wearing. Don't have time to do my hair, so I'm just gonna brush it and then put a hat on, I guess. I'm gonna show you guys the perfume of my choice. All my perfumes back here, so I'm gonna show you guys which one. I'll probably just do the Lady Gaga. That's actually one of my favorites, so I'll probably use the Lady Gaga perfume. And yeah, we need to hurry up and jet because it started at 2. It's like 1:30 now, and she lives about 45 minutes away from me, and I still need to go buy a bottle. Oh shit! See, I don't have time. Okay, so I'm such in a rush. I didn't even get this. Oh, sorry guys. Hold on. Big boob problems. That's what we got through. Anyway, so. I was such in a rush. I didn't get to show you guys my perfume. This is my Lady Gaga. This is like my all-time favorite go-to perfume. If you guys want to purchase it, I'll put in the link in the bio. I'm going to put it on my necklace. I'm wearing this one today. Cross. Oh, you guys can't really tell. There we go. Mind you, you guys can purchase this from our store, Bourgeois Boutique. So, everything's in the bio, guys. Everything you need. Alright, we need to really go. We're running late. And I still haven't eaten. And I kind of want like an energy drink. I know. Alright. So I'm going to show you guys my outfit when I get there. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Well, you know what? I'll probably do an outro later. But yeah. So let's go show you guys my outfit. I'm going to break this up in 2 different videos. So I'm going to show you guys the get ready part. And then the next is going to be a vlog. So you guys already know how I do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So. Alright, ready? Woo! Hey! Hey!
Bye.